out of my mind. Welcome to the second setup. Welcome to the third episode of Out of My Mind. Will you do great? Wait, no, you do. I'm doing terrible. Yeah. Where we do Out of My Mind, crazy top stunts in the world. There's probably more cooler stunts than that, monkey. Well, the first stuff is to die. Like, you're gonna get wet like that. I even have some boots so I don't get wet. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go like this. Oh, I think we figured it out. I was the one that was monkey. Now the real monkey. So basically we do top 10. I already said that. Oh, okay. First up is the 100,000 triple, not 1,000, 10,000, not 20,000. But 100,000, you skipped a lot. But Jupiter Aerial. Oh, wait. Then he made it over. We have our regular. Shut up. Why did you tell me to shut up? I'm the news reporter. Like, you're gonna get wet if you do that. Serious. You failed. Oh, okay. No, just kidding. You did. Stop picking. Our next stunt is to jump on the tree. No, trampoline. Boom. Dun. Yeah. Oh, skull trick. And a backflip. I hate to import your regular news schedule of monkey doing that, but I need to tell you my news report. There's this big monster going over town. You mean a bird? Oh, it's Jerry, it's a bird. It's a bird, Jerry. It's a bird. Oh, sorry. Dun. Your news reporter has just ended because he died of cringe. I'm going. Do a backflip. Do a feet up. Do a backflip. I just did a backflip. Bomb out of my mind. A 2 minute. Oh, that's wet. Out of my mom. What the flop? Okay, next up is literally to do funness of funness. What are you doing to me? The process of the pursuit. I hate to shut up. Oh my god. Wait, that's Doom. Well, no, not Doom. Wait, that's the score from the Nirvana. What the flip? Yeah! Whee! Monkey made it. He was supposed to land head first into the... Our next up is the over the fence. Oh, what? Wait, what? Monkey, you can do this. Gotta stand from this angle. Right here. And do this, monkey. You got this. Wait, there's gonna be dog poop there. You got this. Let's go. He made it. Okay, I hate to. You're not interrupting. We have some time. I hate to interrupt it, but there's a new monster running around town. How many monsters are there gonna be, Jerry? Shut up. Well, anyway, we gotta go get Monkey, but the big monster, you said stay indoors and always. It's a big tornado. It's not a monster. Okay, bye. Hey, died of cringe again. Yeah, Monkey's wet. Monkey's butt. What? I'm wet. Monkey, you gotta keep going. What was that? The monster! It's here! The news reporter wasn't lying. It's a tornado or something. Take it out a little. Oh shoot. We gotta get in, monkey. Come on, then we gotta do a tornado, right? Just for the transition. Okay. Monkey, we need to go in now. Speedy, speedy, speedy. Boom, boom, boom. Monkey made it. You gotta say live. Take this off. Okay, monkey. Oh shoot, monkey! You gotta survive. That's right, monkey. Monkey, go hide somewhere. The news reporter was lying. Okay, I think I'm safe. Oh shoot! Why? Monkey, come! Part 2 coming soon. Well,